Hello, we are Team Cure, and our objective for our group project in health informatics was to create a proof of concept prototype patient portal. Our team consisted of Mark Vivanko, who was our project manager and developer, Gurkarat Sidhu, Rex Sumption, and David Walker as developers. We concentrated on trying to find gaps in our current patient portals we analyzed. We have completed everything we committed to on our Gantt chart. We concentrated on trying to find gaps in current patient portals we analyzed. We have completed everything we committed to on our Gantt chart. We believe the types of features we have included will definitely be added to patient portals in the future. Medical-related Amazon skills are slowly starting to show up, so we felt it was a good addition. We weren't looking to duplicate efforts many other teams might already be creating or recreate features that are already readily available in many other patient portals. While some features, such as patient personal health data, might be available in other third-party sites, we will show it integrated into our patient portal to show how useful having all patient health-related information in one location is a good thing. We didn't want to spend time on create, read, update, and delete to databases using API calls, and instead we mocked that ability with in-memory JSON objects. We didn't implement logging in, as we felt that has been done a million times and many other teams will demonstrate that ability. So instead, we assume you have already logged in. Throughout the demo, you will see patient information and observations. That is coming directly from FHIR through API calls.
So when you launch the website, you will first come to this dashboard page. The dashboard page gives a nice overview of patients' personal and other health data. The personal information that you see here, the name, date of birth, height, and weight, that is all from Happy R4 server. So this is all from FHIR, but the rest of the data has been hard-coded. Here you can see upcoming appointments, recent alerts. You can see the 3 most recent blood pressure entries, cholesterol entries, and also a week's worth of walking data. So we have created several forms that the user can fill out. For example, there's appointments, check-ins, weight form, allergies, patient information, blood pressure form, vaccination form, cholesterol, food and drink, and there's import walking data. So the idea behind importing walking data was to simulate what it should be like if you were to sync your variable like Apple Watch. So let's say you have an Apple Watch and you want to sync your patient portal. What should the data look like? And so I'll simulate a year's worth of data. So here you can see a year's worth of data on a graph. So here you see that in January, this person walked 6,500 steps on average. So there are other forms that the user can fill out, and all of these forms will be reflected in the tables. There's a blood pressure table, cholesterol table, food and drinks, allergies, weight entries. They're all empty right now because we're not using a database. But if you fill out a form, they should all update accordingly. So for example, I'll fill out a weight form. So let's say 175, today's date, and time is 6:08 p.m. and we click save. So now if we go to the table, you'll see that it has been entered.
One feature we felt was important to have in a patient portal is a vaccination form. Many times we need our vaccination information and have to bring a form to the doctor's office. They manually fill it out, then we have to go back and pick it up. Here is our patient vaccination form. Here you can see a completed vaccination form that you can print at any time that you want. All the vaccinations have been populated with the relevant dates they were administered. Okay, I'll start the skill.
Welcome to Team Cure's Alexa skill. I can tell you what the various wait times are or hours of operation at the urgent care facilities. What would you like to do?
I happen to live near Allentown, so I want to find out what their hours of operation are.
Team Cure's Allentown urgent care facility hours are as follows. Monday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday from 8 a.m. to midnight. Saturday from 8 a.m. to midnight. Sunday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
If I just wanted to find out for one day of the week,
Team Cure's Allentown Urgent Care Facility is open on Monday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
okay, so I want to find out what the wait time is in Allentown.
The wait time at Team Cure's Allentown Urgent Care Facility is 45 minutes.
So I happen to live close to Allentown, but the other facilities aren't that far away. So if their wait time is less, maybe it might make sense to go there instead. So let me check those.
The wait times at Team Cure's urgent care facilities are as follows. Allentown has a delay of 45 minutes. Bethlehem has a delay of 15 minutes. Coopersburg has a delay of 10 minutes.
So now that I know the various wait times, I could pick which location would be best for me.
My name's Rex. I'll be talking about the alerts with 3 steps. First, I'll be talking about these colors. Second, I'll be talking about these 4 different areas. And the third thing I'll be talking about is automated alerts. First thing, these colors represent the gradient of how important an issue is. So red obviously means an error, do it quickly. Yellow, warning, you have a little bit more time. Green, success. Blue is something that will happen in the future. You can delay it. White is meaning that right now it's there's no data there, so you can fill it in. Doctor's appointments is pretty straightforward for those alerts. Check in and scheduling an appointment. Lab results is specific results that come from your doctor's appointment. So you could click on this and you could get an email with your doctor's appointment or to contact your doctor to ask him about the test. You can also contact your doctor if they haven't prescribed a medicine for your pharmacy. You can also click here and it will set up maps so that you can specifically find where your prescription is. All right, and the last area, diseases and cancer, is that if you go over here to this wait form, you can simply type anything that's above 250 pounds. That's the limit that we put currently. So if we save this, it's now saved data, patient data within the form, and now automatically this alert shows up, and it's dynamic, so it put 300 here. 300 puts you at risk for diabetes. So now you should schedule an appointment with Dr. Brown for a diabetes test.
The ML alerts page. So we get different alerts here. If you look in the doctor's appointments section, you'll see we have 2 different alerts here. One for scheduling our appointment with the family doctor, Dr. Brown. The other, we have an appointment coming up tomorrow with a different doctor, Dr. Watson. We need to check in for that. So these are the 2 different features that I'll be focusing on today. If we go into to check in for this appointment tomorrow, you'll see we have our personal information, medical coverage, allergy section, and emergency contact sections. We can edit these however we like. You'll notice that the personal information section is populated with fire information. And so we go ahead, if we want to check in, we click that, come back to notifications, and we'll see that we're checked in. Now we got to schedule our appointment with Dr. Brown. So we'll be redirected to the appointments page. We can go around, click around, and see. You'll notice this is updating as we click around. We'll see the best time for us. Once we have a time, we'll go ahead and enter our information here. Go ahead and confirm. We go down to notifications. We'll see we no longer have that notification. We're good to go. And if we also check in patient data, if we go to the appointments page, we can see that we actually have that appointment coming up here and the time and the date for that.